Today, I'll show you how to auto-admit participants in Google Meet so they can join your meeting without you constantly clicking Admit. This is especially useful if you host regular classes, team calls, or webinars and want people to get in smoothly without waiting in the lobby each time. Let's start from the very beginning. First, you'll need to start your Google Meet as the host. This means you should be the person who created the meeting link or the one who has the organizer controls. Open Google Meet the way you normally do, either from your calendar event, from the Meet homepage, or from within Gmail. Join the meeting as the organizer and wait for the meeting window to fully load. Once you're inside the meeting, look for the host controls. Depending on your version of Google Meet, these controls are usually represented by an icon that looks like a small shield with a lock, or they may appear under a host controls label. You'll typically find this near the bottom of the screen or in the menu that opens when you click the three vertical dots, often called More Options. Go ahead and click on Host Controls to open the Settings panel. When the Host Controls panel opens, you'll see several options that help you manage how people join and participate in the meeting. The setting we're interested in is called Quick Access, or sometimes it might be described as a restriction on who can join automatically. By default, this setting may be turned on or off, depending on your organization's policies, so it's worth checking each time if auto-admit is important for your session. To allow participants to join automatically, you need to adjust the quick access settings. If quick access restrictions are currently on, that usually means people outside your organization or anyone not invited directly will have to ask to join and wait for your approval. To change this, turn off those quick access restrictions. This might be as simple as flipping a switch or unchecking a box in the host controls panel. Once you turn off quick access restrictions, participants will be able to join the meeting automatically without you needing to manually admit them each time they arrive. This can save a lot of time, especially if people join late, drop off and rejoin, or if you have a large group coming in at different times. It also makes your meeting feel smoother and more professional, since attendees don't get stuck waiting in a virtual lobby. Keep in mind that while auto-admit is convenient, it also means you should be confident about who has the meeting link. If you're sharing the link widely, be prepared that anyone with access to it can come straight into the meeting once restrictions are turned off. For more controlled sessions, you might want to enable restrictions again after your main group has joined, or only share the link with trusted participants. To recap the flow you'll use each time, start your meeting as the host, open the host controls, turn off quick access restrictions, and from that point on, your participants can join automatically. With this small adjustment, you'll spend less time managing the waiting room and more time focusing on the actual content of your meeting.